Introducing the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a sleek and luxurious sedan that epitomizes elegance, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance. The E-Class is Mercedes-Benz midsize luxury flagship, bridging the class and power of the S-Class with the compact agility of smaller models, setting a gold standard for premium sedans. The 2025 E-Class lineup includes two main options, the E350 and E450. The E350 features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering a combined 255 horsepower. It offers a smooth and refined drive, perfect for urban commuting and highway cruising. For those desiring a bit more punch, the E450 comes equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six paired with hybrid technology, producing an impressive 375 horsepower, offering a perfect balance of power and luxury. Whether you're in the E350 or E450, you can expect a refined, smooth drive that emphasizes comfort over raw sportiness. Mercedes has modernized the exterior with a sleek silhouette, an elegant grille, and redesigned LED headlights that enhance the car's road presence. At the rear, Mercedes adds a contemporary touch with stylish taillights and a refined bumper, blending sophistication with a hint of aggression. The entire design embodies the refined luxury Mercedes-Benz is known for, offering a balanced, visually striking look that stands out in traffic or at the valet. Inside, the cabin is a luxurious escape, featuring top-quality materials like premium leather and metal accents. It's spacious, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed for both the driver and passengers. The new E-Class comes with advanced tech features that elevate the experience. Optional digital displays across the dash are available, providing an immersive view of navigation, entertainment, and driving metrics. On the tech side, the 2025 E-Class does not disappoint. The infotainment system supports the latest apps like TikTok, Zoom, and even Angry Birds, bringing entertainment and connectivity to the forefront. Mercedes also includes augmented reality navigation, making the driving experience seamless and intuitive. The 2025 E-Class includes Mercedes' latest safety suite, featuring automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a new center airbag for added protection in case of collisions. So, how much will all of this luxury set you back? Pricing for the 2025 E-Class starts at approximately $63,000 for the E350, with the more powerful E450 reaching around $76,000. Whether you're drawn to the E350's sophisticated efficiency or the E450's exhilarating performance, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is more than just a car, it's a statement of style, comfort, and innovation. With its sleek design, luxurious cabin, and powerful yet refined performance, the E-Class continues to define what a premium sedan should be. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.